Welcome to MAST at Homestead's open house.
Good evening, Saber families. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to our wonderful school, MAST at Homestead. I sincerely hope that you're going to enjoy this opportunity to meet your children's teachers. I look forward to working with you for a wonderful and successful 2022-2023 school year as we strengthen our school and family partnership. Have a wonderful evening.
Good evening, parents. My name is Dr. Cadaval. I am the assistant principal here at MAST at Homestead. Welcome to Open House, and we really hope you enjoy your time here in basically what will be a day in the life of your child. Hablamos español y estamos disponibles a ayudarlo de cualquier forma necesaria. Gracias. Thank you.
Good evening, Saber families. My name is Nicole Martinez, and I am the proud admissions director, AP coordinator, internship coordinator, and senior class sponsor for the Medical Academy for Science and Technology, MAST at Homestead. This year will be an amazing year. A few things to keep note, parents. We do have a magnet contract on file for all students. So it is important to remember that students must maintain magnet requirements in order to maintain admission at MAST. This means a 2.5 core GPA, uniforms daily, and good attendance, as well as a 2.5 or higher in their math and science courses. Additionally, seniors within the IMED, Pharmaceutical Medicine, and Physical Therapy and Sports Medicine Academy do have a required internship component where they will leave our campus from January to Memorial Day weekends on their either 5th or 6th period course to be able to complete these internship hours. Additionally, students enrolled in AP courses should have brought home an AP contract, which was signed by you, the parent, and the student, acknowledging that they understand that they are taking a college level course and will be required to take an AP exam at the end of the year, the first 2 weeks of May. Bear in mind, parents, any student who misses this AP exam will be provided a $40 exam obligation. We are so encouraged and excited to work with your students to fulfill their potential throughout this school year. This is going to be a great 2022-2023 school year. Should you need to reach me at any point throughout the year, my email address is admissions@mastacademyhomestead.org, or you can reach me by telephone at 305-257-4500, extension 2102. Have a great rest of your evening.
Good evening, parents. My name is Wendy Molina, and I am the Activities Director here at MAST. I'm also the Student Government Sponsor and National Honor Society Club Sponsor as well. We welcome you back to our 2022-2023 school year. I'm here to ensure that your students not only work hard, but play hard, as we have all kinds of activities throughout the entire year and over 25 active clubs for your students to be a part of. We hope that your students will enjoy their time here. And a friendly reminder, students should be in uniform at all times and have their ID on every day on a lanyard. If you have any questions, Saber families, my door and my office is always open to your students, and I am only a phone call or an email away. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your night tonight.
Good evening, parents. Welcome to the 2022-23 school year. My name is Jennifer Romero, and I am the proud CAP Advisor, School Assessment Coordinator, and Class of 2024 sponsor here at MAST at Homestead. Please feel free to reach me at 305-257-4500, extension 2114, and or via email at jromero@dateschools.net. I look forward to a wonderful and successful Operation MD school year.
Hi, Saber families. My name is Ms. Pekarsky, and I am the school counselor at MAST at Homestead. I am also the Project Upstart Liaison, assisting students with any housing or shelter needs. I'm the Teenage Parent Program Coordinator, the Women of Tomorrow sponsor, the Mental Wellness Club sponsor, the Safe Liaison, assisting our LGBTQ community, our Crisis Team Support, our Bullying and Prevention Liaison, our NCAA Contact, and the No Place for Hate Coordinator. If you need to contact the counselor or make an appointment with the counselor, the best way to reach me is through the counselor request form. It can be found on our MAST Medical website under the Current Students tabs under Student Services.